Alright, you are welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about time farm. So time farm stage 1 airdrop is live, and that is what we are going to discuss about today. So please, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, do well to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that each time we upgrade a update like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So today we are going to reveal to you those who qualify for this first stage of airdrop. So it's for those who purchase a product that they offer in the few months ago. So as you can see, just as I told you earlier, that you should not stake because we don't know the plan. But as according to their promise, you can stake now because they have done something marvelous. So now, let's click on this and let's go through this. As for now, I do not qualify for this airdrop. As you can see over here, you are not qualified yet. Keep farming, stay active, your time is coming. So they promise us that their time is coming. Why I do not qualify is because first, I did not purchase this particular time that they offers. They ask us to purchase this time watch with 0.5 time, and they know the amount of time in the market around 10 to 11 dollars, and you have to purchase this, which is around 5, which is around 8 to 7 dollars as of the price, current price. So that is the reason why we did not qualify. And also remember that you need to upgrade this particular place, you need to upgrade to this watch. That will lead to your earlier stage of receiving the time in time. So that is what this means. If you upgrade to the last one, it means you stand a chance to receive earlier. So that is the importance of upgrading. So another thing you need to understand is that what you need to do to earn more of this particular project. So let's click on this. Let's click on the tax section. So this is what you need to be doing in order to earn more of this token. You need to perform all these tasks. I think I have said this before. So perform all these tasks and earn more of the time seconds, which can be converted to time token in 30 days from now. So let's go to the official website of this page. So let's go. So here we are. As you can see, stage 1 of the time drop is live. As you can see, it's been written here. And they said the most active time farm users are now qualified for stage 1 of the drop. They can exchange their seconds for time. Another one, they said the rules of how you can get this time. The rules are: the time 200 million seconds takes token unlocked gradually for over 30 days. You have 60 days to make the exchange. You can only exchange once. Overall will be born. The remaining one will be born. So if you exchange once, the remaining one will be born. So that is for when time came. And another one, they said open the app and check your allocation. And thirdly, they said no worry if you are not on the list yet. Stage 2 of the drop is coming in about a month. And thirdly, they said you do not qualify this time. Do not worry, your turn is coming. The first time drop want to be most active users, but that is just a stage 1. So secondly, they said more drop round are coming. If you do not qualify this time, stay active and you meant in the next. If you do not qualify, you may be eligible again later too. And the goal is to reward real contributors over time, not in the one shot. And thirdly, they said appreciate you. They are congratulating you. They are saying we appreciate your patience when we build this out of the everyone. So that is all you need to understand about this particular time farm. So now let's head straight back to the dashboard. So here we are again. So I think this information is very important. So be active. Make sure you perform those tasks which I have told you, and at the same time, make sure you ask your question below the comment section so that we'll know what is next. Present your question and also subscribe if you haven't done so. If you have come across this channel before and you haven't subscribed, this is the right time for you to do so. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that each time we upgrade information like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. And also have it in mind that being in the crypto space, you have the mindset of investment. You have the mindset of planting a good seed. So that is all about cryptocurrency. Patience matters, activity matters, and persistence matters in crypto world. So make sure you are active always. So be safe and be blessed.